Food steamer. With 7.4 quarts of cooking capacity and 2 separate steaming containers, you can cook a full meal with sides with one simple turn of a switch. Features auto shutoff and boil-dry protection for simple and safe cooking. All you need. A two-tier design allows you to cook multiple items at once for quick and easy meal preparation. Simply set the timer and watch it work. Includes 2 steaming containers, grain tray and lid, which are all dishwasher safe. Guest-free cooking. The water reservoir view window ensures you'll always know whether you have enough water to finish the job at hand, and a guest-free steaming guide chart is embedded on the unit so you can guarantee perfect steaming results every time. Kitchen essentials. Bella offers a full range of high-quality products including air fryers, waffle irons, toasters, coffee makers, electric kettles, slow cookers, espresso machines, griddles and juicers. Mix it up. The kitchen should be fun. With Bella it can be. We provide you with quick and convenient kitchen solutions to simplify your hectic life, including small kitchen appliances, cookware and housewares. Quick start heating system that allows you to be steaming in as little as 30 seconds. Steam your favorite foods from fish, red meat, poultry, shellfish, tofu, vegetables, and grains. Even get creative with other foods such as dumplings and dim sum. Possibilities are endless. 2-basket cooking system allows you to separate vegetables and meats so you can prepare different dishes simultaneously for special dietary needs. Vegetables are kept as close to their natural raw state as possible, while heating through thoroughly while retaining their original color, taste, juices and freshness. Features auto shutoff with boil-dry protection so you're ensured foods are being cooked safely. No oil, no smoke, no mess, cleaning up is easy. Steam baskets and rice cup and dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Top reviews from the United States. Easy to clean and even better the taste of the food. I love this steamer. I had used the metal steamers and they give the food a metallic taste. The first time I tried this steamer, I noticed the difference in the taste of my food and I will never go back to metal ones. I had never realized this till I used a plastic steamer, the difference in how my food tastes. I've been on a steamed food diet for 2 years and lost over 100 pounds. I wish I had this steamer the whole time, but I'm glad I discovered it.